Hello, welcome to another repair essay. We have today a Galaxy A40, I think. And guess what? It's been water damaged, won't turn on, and probably won't charge. So I've already removed the back cover. No purpose in showing that. Let's connect it to the power supply. See what it charges. Well, it charges. Okay, it's just a no screen. Detailed information about the customer. As always, not so good. Okay. Well, this phone is charging, so I guess we just have a broken screen. Very interesting. And boring at the same time. I had a screen somewhere. I did this screen replacement a couple of days ago, which I hopefully don't. I didn't. Throw the screen in the bin. But where is it? Well, it's here. Okay, that was no image, so that's why it's in the bin. We grab another one. Let's see if this is going to get a boring video. Well, I have to put up the frame. Maybe we'll see some kind of water damage, I don't know. But I wonder why only the screen fell out, so, or is damaged, because everything seems to work. But water gets only to the screen. Not sure about that. From the outside, there is no sign of water. Charging dock also looks good, but we have the screen coming over from the charging port. So screen connector comes here. It has the same flex charging port cable. Just grab with your nails underneath, or you can take also plastic fine tool if you wish. Come on. We'll have to disconnect of course we have to. Am I missing a screw? No. So wire not letting go. Okay, here we have some tiny bit, well, exactly where else? Not on this side, speaker, no problems. The water gets in there. But not from the top here. Let's have a look at the back cover. That's sealed. No water in there. So probably from the charging port. And that's it. So the question is, do we have a damaged port? Well, the phone is charging, but we don't have any image, so screens are very fragile, so can be that the screen died. Let's have a look under the microscope. Yeah, definitely water damage. Funny thing is, charging works, everything else is messed up. Screen looks, well, there's some corrosion here. I think the best thing is we try another charging port. We have one Galaxy A40. Not sure about that. So what we have here? We have some ports ordered, but probably not the right one. I don't know which is which, but yeah, two different kinds of. None of them is the right one. Treasure box. In a second. No, no, no. Maybe. No. That A51. A70. A70 looks familiar. Maybe. Nope. Right. There's stuff here. We have something, but without the connector, of course. This is the right one. Without our FPC connector. Here's another one. Without the mic. We don't need microphone, but it looks good. Okay, we have one. Yes. Remember that I have such great inventory charging ports. So we're going to open up the screw here. We're just going to replace the charging port for quick diagnose. This one is really messed up. Let's connect the thing here. Okay. Cleaning. Nope. Well, a little bit maybe. Just a little bit. do. And screen, yeah, maybe. That'll do too. Okay. So now we are going to put known good back. Microphone is missing, but I don't need that for testing here. Just want to know if screen is deaf. Let's put the screw back just to hold this whole thing in place. Battery. Okay, let's try to turn it on again. 2 pins. Vibration. And we have a working device and working screen, which is very nice. The customer will be very happy. What dirt. Let's see if the screen works. We have no touch. And the picture is nice. But not enough. Okay, privacy screen. Pin. Okay. Well, screen is charging. Screen is charging. Screen is working. Let's see if it charges. Fast charging would be great. No charging here. Okay. Am I missing something? 0.0 is lesser than less. There's something wrong with the charging on this port. Well, that must be the reason why I took off the thing here. 0.0. How can this be even possible? Charging. We charge another device. Of course. So, yeah. Shall we have a look at the charging port? I think we should. Well, that looks better than it can get. Oh, now I know what's the issue. I think it is one of those cheap. Is this original? Looks like there are a lot of caps missing. Well, there's definitely some stuff missing, which is a bit strange here. It was a cheap aftermarket with a lot of missing components. Well, what's the use for that if it's not charging? Okay, nevertheless, we saw with this one that it was charging. I mean, we could try to fix it, but I don't think that it's worth the time to spend here. I mean, actually, it doesn't look that bad. We have this chip here, which looks a bit strange. Also, this one. All in all, doesn't look too bad. So, could transfer some stuff from here to there. But as I said, these parts cost between 15–25 euros. So if you really want to spend the time, I mean, if you don't want to wait, okay. But if you really want to spend such time in doing this repair, then, well, you must have plenty of it. Gonna make a photo just for reference. Okay, job is done, I guess. I don't have this part here, which makes me a bit sad. I think this is a new part with only a missing. Oh, charging port is missing too. That's definitely a donor board. Okay, donor board. Let's clean this, replace that big IC. I don't know what it is, but it does. But it needs to be done. Can take some measurements here. If it's not a lot of voltage, then it's probably nothing to do with the thing here. 0.6, 2.8, 2 volts, 2.1. Zero, 0.5, 0.08, 0.1. Whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? 0, 0. Can't really touch them. What are we gonna do? We don't know. Okay. I'm gonna replace the chip. Clean everything up. See if we have some changes. I'm gonna keep this just for display tester. And then we're gonna take this here, take the chip off, which should be good. Let's grab it. And we're up. There's a lot of damage. All the small ICs here, or converters, or thingies, whatever you want to call them, probably fine. So just a little bit of cleaning here. The Boyd chip. We're going to take off that Boyd chip. It's a little bit of a mess, which we should clean before. That'll do. That'll do. Oops. this. Flow 24. And I think this chip is some kind of power management, what it looks like. Okay. So look at this tiny resistor. Looks okay. 0.4, 0.4. Fuse, I guess. No? Diode. There we have some grungy. This on the belt, so everything is okay. A little better. Rustiness. So, okay, could be bad here. No. I think it should be okay. Let's just touch this up. This hole. Okay, now we're loose. It's not good. Okay, this is probably something important, which is not good. So, well, I guess this stage I have no clue where this is going to. Pretty sure this belongs to the screen. No, it's probably antenna. I'm sure this, I know this one here for the signal. We can try. It is not that important. And what can we do here? What can we do? Just the same spot can be. We have 3.56 mil. Yeah, this is the one. Maybe we could run a wire to the other side. But what's the point in doing so? Sometimes I catch myself in doing stuff. Well, it's just finished in a couple of minutes. It's not a big deal. Yeah. And then we're going mad. Okay. Well, we're already here. I'll just run a wire. Yes. Over here. Come on. Bye. Goodbye, trace. How long will this last? Well, I guess long enough. Heat it up a bit. Clean it. Okay. If we put this back in here, what will we touch? Here. So easiest thing is just to add a little bit of tape. We're isolated. Okay, let's put this back together, test it. Screw. We don't have the pin code, so we cannot test everything. But yes, that's how it is. Let's put frame back on, antenna. I mean, we'll see if the LCD works. In first case, it did not. What a hilarious repair, but well, I'm gonna put a SIM card in, give it a call. Should I? Yeah, why not? I'm going to give myself a call. Let's see if it still works. So, yeah, picture back, which is good. Need to get a SIM card for testing phones. Always abusing mine. Which is not a good idea. Mobile data is on. We don't have audio. Test. Hello? Test. 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 Okay. Take the card out. Signal is good. We got 4 bars, 3 bars of 4. SIM back. Okay. Well, that's it. We have signal, Bluetooth, the charging port, PCB or whatever you want to call it, subboard is also for signal. So if you have bad or no signal when calling, then it could be an issue also with the charging port board. Well, the device is fixed. Okay, charging. Let's see if we can charge on the left corner. 1.6 amps. This is probably not the right cable for fast charging. I don't know if this device supports fast charging. But we're charging, so everything should be good. That's it. Rescued. Another easy fix. I mean, we could get off the data in worst case, so at least was just, if you want to go the most easiest way and don't want to spend 45 minutes on a repair like this, then just go ahead and replace the board, which costs 15 to 25 euros. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.